Now, instead of tilling, I'm laying paper. Use this kind of paper, newspaper, or brown paper boxes. Use whatever you have around the house or can find easily. See where I laid that and the weeds sticking out? That's what I don't want. You want it to overlap, because anywhere the weed's sticking out is where it's gonna grow. Most cities have a free wood chip site. My recommendation, don't do this on a windy day. The goal is to not pick weeds, and it works. Lay the wood chips 4 inches deep. If you're doing metric, that's about 10 centimeters. You want 10 centimeters high. Keep the weeds out and the moisture in. So what this does is so similar to what a sheep's wool does. Keeps in the moisture, but then it also keeps it from getting overly wet. So here I can lay the 4 inches, but there where I missed, there's 6 inches. A little sweat equity, but easier than tilling. Thanks for watching.